What happens when you let a trading robot take complete control of a $10,000 account? Can an algorithm actually spot market reversals and turn them into consistent, heavy profits? Today, we're diving deep into the backtesting of this system. I call it Reverse and Profit EA. I'm going to break down the raw data, the risk, and the exact metrics of this strategy. It turned a $10,000 initial deposit into thousands of dollars. Let's start by backtesting the EA. You can see the name of the robot right here, which is Reverse and Profit EA. Also, we're testing it on gold from 2024 to 2026. We use data based on real tick. I will click on Start. Now, let's look at some numbers. First, let's establish the baseline. We are looking at a backtest with 100% history quality. This isn't interpolated data. This is as close to real market conditions as a simulation gets, processing over 145 million ticks. We started with an initial deposit of $10,000. The total net profit sits at a massive $21,014. That is over a 200% return, completely hands-free. But net profit doesn't tell the whole story. We need to look at the profit factor, which sits at a very healthy 1.52. This means that for every dollar the system loses, it makes $1.52 back. Combine that with a recovery factor of nearly 4.95 to be exact, and you have an EA that doesn't just make money, it aggressively bounces back from its losses. Now, let's talk about accuracy. Out of 305 total trades taken by the Reverse and Profit EA, 265 of them were winners. That is an overall win rate of 86.89%. Interestingly, the algorithm is highly effective in both directions. It boasts an 80% win rate on short trades and an incredible 90.77% win rate on long trades. It also hit a streak of 39 consecutive wins. This system is designed to catch the market turning points, and these numbers prove it's finding those entries with surgical precision. But let's be realistic. No system is a straight line to the top. And as algorithmic traders, we have to look at the risk. The maximal relative drawdown on this account reached 37.89%, or about $4,066. For some conservative traders, nearing a 40% drawdown might feel a bit aggressive. However, when you weigh a 38% risk against a 210% reward, the math makes sense for a growth-focused portfolio. Looking back at the curve, you can see the EA handles these drawdowns well, grinding right back to new all-time highs without stagnating. The Reverse and Profit EA is showing absolute powerhouse statistics, high history quality, an insane win rate, and a brilliant profit-to-drawdown ratio. If you want to learn more about how this EA works, or if you want to get your hands on it to test it yourself, check the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you think of that 38% drawdown. Is the reward worth the risk to you? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more automated trading breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.